Right, you're off. Nice. Well done, bro. Can I? You've been to Goa, right? You've been to Goa? Have you been to?
I go to Goa, but this is my
First time.
Yeah,
Okay.
Have fun.
Okay.
I first time in India.
First time.
First time in India.
How many days you've been here?
I have 2 months.
2 months. Okay.
1 month I go to for Delhi and travel Rajasthan, Jaipur. My motorcycle is broke.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it?
5 days I need to repair my mechanic.
So you rented a bike here?
Yeah, it's rent.
From where?
Huh?
Where did you rent this bike here?
Delhi.
Delhi.
Delhi. Yeah. Come back to summer and go to Ladakh, Manali.
Manali, Kashmir.
It's very beautiful place.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, it was nice meeting you.
So where are you going now? You're going to Goa?
Now Goa.
Goa. Okay.
You have a big bike? Yeah.
This is a KTM
KTM, yeah.
390.
It's very big.
Yeah, it's good. It's got good power. Yeah. What about lunch? Have you had food?
Huh?
Food? Did you have food?
I'm full.
Food.
I
Okay.
need in.
Okay. If you want, you can come and join us.
Yeah.
You can come and join us. We are going to have food if you want.
No, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
You travel with your friends?
No.
No.
There's no.
Just the two of us, husband wife.
Indian is mainly. Sorry, my English is.
No, that's
It's okay, we
It's
will
fine,
understand.
Mainly motorcycles, yeah. But big motorcycles, small.
Fine. It's a very small community,
Little, yeah.
but it's growing. Every year, it's more bikes.
Yeah, but motorcycle is very dangerous and
Very.
Yeah.
many people
Yeah.
on the road.
Correct.
Yeah. If you can ride in India, you can ride anywhere in the world.
Yeah, I ride with my wife, travel in Vietnam,
Ah.
motorcycle, yeah. Many people say me this very crazy driver. Yeah, many driver in Vietnam, but
Yeah, here it
India,
is.
driver is so little, but
Yeah,
That is
but it improves your skill as a rider.
Yeah.
Here, India,
Yeah,
because you have
yeah.
become sharper. You know, you have to
Yeah,
look
every
everywhere.
day I
Yeah, yeah,
need this side.
yeah. Basically, anywhere in Europe, you go to Germany or something, it's just straight road. But here, you have to look everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, no, it was nice meeting you.
Oh, nice to
Okay,
meet you.
nice to meet you.
You have Instagram?
Yes.
Yes,
I can.
yes, of course.
Your ID.
That's some petrol. You should never do a tank full at any one place, because in case there is bad quality fuel, you don't get a full tank of bad quality fuel. Now scanner है? Network आएगा हमारे में. look at that village. It must be a fishing village. Yeah, you can see so many fishing boats over here and sea over there. Very beautiful. Shrabya Hotel, pure veg. Chalo, let's have some lunch now. Hungry. What are you having?
I'm having anda thali. Want to try the flavors of Konkan region.
And how was the drive so far? Very close to Ganpatipure. You can see parasailing going on over there. The sea is on the right. Just done with our lunch. It's 4 p.m. Now I'm thinking we can either stretch it to Goa. We reach Goa at around 9:30 or 10. Or then stay one night at Ratnagiri, which is about 1 hour from here, 29 kilometers. So then at least we can check into a hotel and then step out, explore the city of Ratnagiri. Let's see. Right now we are moving towards Ratnagiri. If we find a nice hotel over there, then we stay for the night at Ratnagiri. Let's go. Ganpatipure is packed right now. Look at the number of cars over here. Shri Ganesh Mandir akade. This is the road to the temple. See Moy. MH14. Oh. What a view. Amazing. See, but I don't see people swimming in the sea here at Ganpatipure. Beautiful coastline. कितीला आहे नारळ पाणी? People are swimming here. Ratnagiri. 5:15 p.m. I'm looking for a snack center. I can have a cup of chai, and then we are thinking of going all the way to Goa without staying here the night. That's 200 kilometers. It's 5:30 in the evening, so we'll reach Goa by 10 o'clock at night. Unfamiliar roads, but we'll see how it goes. Let's find a chai wala somewhere. Time for some chai. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. ठीक है, जाओ जाओ लाओ तो मैं. 7 o'clock in the evening. What are they? Appa's snacks. So this is our tea halt at a city called Rajapur. We've been riding through jungles right after it became pitch dark, and now we are here at Rajapur. Now the distance from this point to Goa is still 135 kilometers. Arrival time is 9:30, but with breaks and everything, I think we should be there by 10:50. Now the highway is going to be good. That's what the owner of the shop said. But yeah, today's ride was something. I mean, the deep areas of Konkan are just full of jungles, and then you have these hidden cities and towns and villages that come across your way during this ride. At a place called Appa's Snack Center, we're going to be having some chai. आम्ही आज इकडनं निघालो गुहागर मग फेरी घेतली गणपतीपुळे. दादा चहा स्ट्रॉंग पण मिळू शकेल. कडक चाय, साखर कमी, हां किंवा वेगळी दिली तरी चालेल, आम्ही मिक्स करू सेपरेट. थालपीठ, फ्रेश थालपीठ ॲट राजापूर. are about 15 kilometers away from Arambol in Goa. So we thought of finding a room somewhere on the way only instead of going to Goa because it's late. We found this guest house called Dev Homestays. Looks good, but there's nobody at the reception. I honked a couple of times, but still nobody came out. Let's hope we get a room over here. Otherwise, we'll have to move towards the original plan, which is Arambol. So we walk. Let's take the bike, no? Because I don't want to leave my stuff. I'll get the bike. The owner of this guest house stays there somewhere. Now and see if we can get a place to sleep and a hot shower. That's it. And the owner of the guest house has offered to serve us some hot dal rice. They're making it fresh. I can hear the kitchen being utilized right now to make our dal rice.
खूप आवडलं मला.
आणि ही कुठली भाजी आहे म्हणाला? मुळ्याची भाजी. आपलं काय नाव आहे दादा? यांचं मिसळ पाव खूप चांगलं आहे. पाव पण बघा तुम्ही फ्रेश ठेवलेलं आहे सगळे इथे. गुगलवर पण आहे ना? ओके ओके ठीक आहे. सो वी स्टॉप हिअर ॲट टी आयुर्वेदा विच इज ऑन द वे टू गोवा. Having misal pav over there, the breakfast is so nice, so tasty. And he is selling fish. Look at the backdrop of coconut trees. That's like the city center. I love these old structures here. Konkan is full of them. Full of old structures, old buildings, old houses. Hey. हे काय आहे?
उभे आहे शिवलिंग.
It's 12 o'clock, checking out of Dev Homestays. Our room was up there. It's always a little difficult to carry the luggage when you are on the higher floor, all that luggage. We're staying in this town called Maluwada, and it is about 20 kilometers away from Arambol, so Arambol should take half an hour. We already have a room booked over there, so let's go. What's it called? Miranda. Verda de Miranda. It's 31 kilometers from here, 53 minutes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's starting to get hot now, definitely. It's close to the sea, Goa, you know. But I like this property. Comfortable stay. We got it for 1400 rupees. The owner is very nice, very accommodating. We're all set for Goa. Can't wait to just relax, have a couple of beers. It's Christmas today. Bye Dev Homestays. just off the main road. We crossed this bridge right now. And I saw some boats kept over there. I see there are some boats over there. Awesome. Someone stays over there, yeah? Let me check it out. Let's try to go close to the boat, no? Ah, here it is. This is what I was looking for. Okay. Look at this boat. It's enormous. God knows when it must have been abandoned, no? Oh shit, there are puppies down there. On our way to Goa, I just crossed this bridge and I saw this. So I had to come and check it out. God knows how many years it has been abandoned. And look at the view in the background. Nice, no? Let me show you something else. There are puppies under the boat. It is very hot as we approach Goa. Got to be careful of glass and nails and everything because I've already had one puncture on this trip. I think only 20% of the tire life is remaining. The tires are highly susceptible to punctures. Let's go. Okay. What is this person selling? Fish. The moment you come in the shade, no, it feels cool. There, our hotel at Morjim, Goa, called Verda de Miranda. This is it. Nice. This is what the room looks like. What's it called? Papa?